Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to spot a fake modern Pokemon card. Okay, so there's some pretty easy tells how to spot a fake modern Pokemon card. We're talking about secret rares, full arts, rainbow rare, hyper rare, that type of thing. The more higher end popular stuff that people want to make fakes of. So let's go ahead and search a popular one here. So Charizard secret rare Burning Shadows. That's what we're searching for. Let's go to lowest first, because a lot of times these people are going to try and trick you with lower prices. So let's go like that. Maybe people are buying all the fakes. Okay, so some of these will actually say replica, which is crazy, but we can open up a replica and kind of see what that looks like. But here's one that says flash, so that's another thing to look out for. We want to find one that doesn't say anything like that. Like this one right here. This doesn't have any indication that it's fake in the title. What I want to look at is texture. And I'll overlay this with one of my actual cards in comparison to this one. So if we zoom in here, we're going to see this card has no texture. It's like completely flat. Now if I show my card, you can see that there's this unique texture. And here's the completely smooth flat one. You don't want it to be completely smooth and flat. That's a clear sign that it's fake. You want the texture. So we'll look at this one. This one is smooth and flat again. You definitely don't want that. Let's see if we can find a real one here. See, this is a real one. You want like this squiggly pattern. It's a good pattern. That's the sign that it's real. This one has a crease along the right side. 150. Ooh. It's got that writing on the back too. You hate to see it. So here's another one. Buy it now for 200. That one definitely has the right texture. You can see like the kind of starburst texture from behind his head. So there's a real one. Back to this one. You can see it's completely smooth. No texture to show it's real. This one has the texture. So this one's definitely real. So there's how to spot like one of the rainbow patterns. Now let's go to a different card. I've been looking at these a little bit lately, so that's why we're choosing this one. Let's go ahead and like open up a few of these. We'll see if they're real or fake. And the same thing, texture is going to be the biggest tell for us. So let's mouse over this one. You can see a little bit of texture along the borders. So this is going to be a real one. It's just not in good condition. You can see that texture there. Let's go to this one. This one definitely has a noticeable texture that you can see. See that texture on the gold border? That's what we want to see. But if we go to this one, like it's completely smooth. There's no texture. So this one is obviously a fake. Also on the fakes, you'll notice like that kind of rainbow glare on the foil a lot. You see that? You know, like the real ones don't have a shine like that. Also, if you look where my mouse is pointing, see this area where there's that purple bar? The bar is kind of embossed looking. But if we go to the fakes, those don't look embossed as much. They're usually like flat looking, especially in the black part of the bar right here. You can see that it's flat. In this one, it's not as flat, you know, it's definitely embossed looking. So there you have it. There's how to tell a fake modern Pokemon card from a real modern Pokemon card. You mostly want to look for the texture. They're printing these cards with dope textures on them. And with the fakes, they can't replicate those patterns. They're just printing it on like a foil sheet with no texture. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.